Hi, in this video, we will be sharing the top 5 habits for clear and glowing skin. Let's get started. Number 1. Cleansing. First and foremost, it's important to cleanse your skin twice a day, to remove dirt and impurities. Number 2. Exfoliating. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps to remove dead skin cells and keep your skin looking fresh. Number 3. Moisturizing. Moisturizing your skin daily is essential for keeping it hydrated and healthy. Number 4. Sun protection. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial for preventing sun damage, premature aging, and even skin cancer. Number 5. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential for promoting healthy skin from the inside out. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to nourish your skin. And there you have it, the top 5 habits for clear and glowing skin. Remember to be consistent with your skincare routine, and give your skin the love and care it deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.